Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how to enable Vibrate for syncing updates to files on Google Drive. If you've ever wanted a subtle vibration alert when your files are syncing in the background, this quick tutorial will help you set it up step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your phone. This is where all the adjustments for apps, notifications, and preferences are managed. Once you're inside, scroll down until you see Apps and tap on it. This section gives you direct access to all the applications installed on your device. Next, find Google Drive in the list of apps and choose it. You'll now be inside the app's settings page, where you can control everything specific to Drive. Look for the option labeled Notifications and tap on it. This is where the notification categories for Google Drive are located. Once you're inside the Notifications menu, select Notification Categories. Each category here controls different functions of Google Drive, such as file uploads, sharing updates, and syncing alerts. Scroll through the list until you locate the category called Syncing Updates to Files under the section labeled Other. This is the exact setting we need to adjust. Tap on it, and you'll see options that allow you to fine-tune how syncing notifications behave on your device. Now, find the toggle or switch for Vibrate. Turn it on. And from this point forward, your phone will give you a quick vibration whenever Google Drive is syncing updates to your files. This ensures you're always aware of background activity, without needing to rely on sound or constantly checking the notification panel. That's all there is to it. By making this small adjustment, you'll get a clear and convenient reminder that Google Drive is working to keep your files updated and accessible across all your devices. If you found this guide useful, make sure to apply the setting right away so you never miss a sync notification again. It's fast, simple, and helps you stay one step ahead with your files. Thanks for watching.